everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this 2-day style. It is a bun created from French rope braids that you'll be able to take out the next day to create this beautiful waved look. I really like this style because while it might take a little bit of time to put up the first day, it's really not that long and it makes it super easy the next day, all while creating heatless waves, so it's much better for your hair. So to get started, we are going to use some of the Fast Form by Paul Mitchell, and we are going to work that through our hair really good. It's best to do this on damp hair shortly after you wash it. Maybe give it 20 minutes or so to air dry so it's not dripping wet, but having it a little bit damp is going to help with the waves the next day. And then we are going to part the hair down the middle, or you could do slightly off-centered if you prefer. And we're going to go through and do a French rope braid on each side. And if you don't know how to do a French rope braid, I do have a tutorial on that, so you can check that out. And then we are going to take the pigtails hanging down the back and we are going to wrap them up one at a time. I like to use the extra large bobby pins for this, but you can use the regular ones if you'd like. And we wrap it around. You may need to twist those pigtails just a little bit to keep the rope braid shape, and you'll just have to make sure to tuck those ends in. So while I might start with a large bobby pin, sometimes to tuck those small ends in, I'll use a regular size. But there you have it, a simple French rope braid bun that is elegant and convenient all at the same time. It's going to keep it out of your face. And the next day after sleeping on it, you can take out those braids, just run your fingers through your hair a little bit, and it's going to create this beautiful wave. So if you have straight hair like me, this is a great way to add some dimension, again, without putting heat on your hair. If y'all enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Have a great day.